Enabling margin on Robinhood allows you to borrow money from the brokerage firm to purchase more securities, potentially amplifying your gains but also increasing your risk. To enable margin on Robinhood, you need to meet certain requirements and follow a series of steps. First, you must have a Robinhood brokerage account and be approved for a margin account. To be eligible, you must be 21 years old, have a valid social security number, and meet certain financial requirements. Once you have a Robinhood account, log into your account using the mobile app or website. Navigate to the account settings or profile section, where you will find the option to enable margin. Select the option to enable margin and follow the prompts to agree to the terms and conditions of margin trading. You will be required to acknowledge the risks associated with margin trading and confirm that you understand the requirements and rules. After agreeing to the terms, you will need to apply for a margin upgrade. This may involve providing additional financial information and verifying your account. The approval process typically takes a few days, but it can be completed instantly in some cases. Once your margin account is approved, you can start using margin to buy securities. It is essential to understand that margin trading involves risks, including the potential for significant losses. It is crucial to set a budget, manage your risk, and have a solid understanding of the markets before using margin. As a best practice, start with small amounts and gradually increase your margin usage as you gain experience and confidence. It is also essential to monitor your account regularly and adjust your strategy as needed to minimize potential losses. In summary, enabling margin on Robinhood requires meeting certain eligibility criteria, navigating to the account settings, agreeing to the terms and conditions, and applying for a margin upgrade. By following these steps and using margin responsibly, you can potentially amplify your gains, but it is crucial to be aware of the risks and manage them effectively.